iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max India pre-order details revealed. iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-order details in India have been revealed just days after their official launch. While the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will go up for pre-orders starting October 23, the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-orders will begin November 6. iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-orders timeline is same as the pre-orders planned in markets including the US, UK, Australia, China, Germany, and Japan. However, the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will go on pre-orders in the first batch of countries from October 16 and will go on sale from October 23. Apple has revealed the India pre-order details for the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max through its official website. At the time of the launch, the company announced that the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro would go on sale in the country starting October 30. It, however, didn't make any announcements about the pre-orders. The India availability of the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max is still a mystery. Nevertheless, it is likely to align with the release date set for the US and other key markets, that is November 13. iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max price in India. iPhone 12 mini price in India starts at 69,900 rupees for the base 64GB storage variant. However, the 128GB storage model of the iPhone 12 mini is priced at 74,900 rupees, while its 256GB storage option is at 84,900 rupees. The iPhone 12, on the other front, comes at 79,900 rupees for the 64GB, whereas its 128GB and 256GB storage models are priced at 84,900 rupees and 94,900 rupees, respectively. The iPhone 12 Pro price is set at 119,900 rupees for the 128GB storage variant, while its 256GB storage model is priced at 129,900 rupees and the top-end 512GB storage option is at 149,900 rupees. Lastly, the iPhone 12 Pro Max carries a price tag of at 129,900 rupees for the 128GB storage variant, while its 256GB and 512GB storage options are priced at 139,900 rupees and 159,900 rupees, respectively. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.